What does visa-free, visa on arrival, and electronic travel authorization mean? Visa-free entry. No prior visa is needed. You simply arrive with a valid passport and satisfy other entry requirements such as proof of onward travel, funds, or stay duration limits. Visa on arrival, VOA. You can obtain a visa upon arrival at the airport or land border. You typically fill a form, pay a small fee, and receive a visa stamp at the immigration desk. Electronic travel authorization, e-visa, ETA, e-visa. You apply online before your travel, usually via the destination country's official website, and receive digital approval or an electronic permit. You then travel and present the e-permit on arrival. These modes significantly reduce the time, cost, and bureaucracy travelers face compared to applying at embassies or consulates months in advance. Notable countries open for Indians without prior visa. Here are a few interesting destinations across regions that Indian travelers can visit more easily in 2025. Note: the permitted stay durations, conditions, or extension possibilities vary by country, so always verify with the destination's immigration authority before travel. Asia and the Indo-Pacific. Nepal. Indians don't require a visa to enter. Under the century-old India-Nepal Treaty, Indians may even use a voter ID card for cross-border travel. Bhutan offers easy access with minimal formalities for Indian citizens, often considered visa-free between the two countries. Malaysia. India's visa-free stay in Malaysia is extended until December 31st, 2026. Indian tourists can stay 30 days visa-free. Thailand. Historically a popular destination, Thailand offers visa exemption or simplified travel formalities to Indians. Philippines. As of June 8, 2025, the Philippines allows Indian nationals to enter visa-free for tourism, 14 days for most, and up to 30 days if holding valid visas or residences from certain countries. Maldives. India is among the countries given visa on arrival, 30 days, in the Maldives. Africa and the Indian Ocean region, Mauritius. Indian nationals can visit Mauritius without a visa for up to 90 days. Kenya. Indians may visit Kenya under a visa waiver or electronic travel authorization system. Seychelles offers a tourist registration system, often akin to visa-free, for Indian citizens. Caribbean and Atlantic Islands. Barbados, Dominica, Grenada, Jamaica, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. Several of these islands allow Indian passport holders to enter visa-free or with minimal formalities. Angola, one of the African nations listed as visa-free for Indians in many travel index listings, others and special cases. Iran, often a visa-free or simplified entry for Indian passport holders, subject to certain conditions. Kazakhstan, Madagascar, Mauritius, Micronesia, Macau. These are among the varied countries listed in visa-free, visa-on-arrival categories in 2025 travel indexes. Benefits of visa-free travel for Indians. 1. Flexibility and spontaneity. You can decide a trip with short notice without worrying about embassy appointments, handling documents, or long processing times. 2. Cost and time savings. You skip visa application fees, courier services, and time spent waiting for visa approval. 3. Boost to tourism and cultural exchange. It encourages more Indians to travel, spend locally, and engage in cross-cultural dialogue. 4. Enhanced mobility for business and remote work. Entrepreneurs, freelancers, and remote workers benefit from smoother cross-border movement in certain markets. Tips and precautions for visa-free travelers. Check duration limits. Even visa-free entries often allow stays only for 14, 30, 60, or 90 days. Overstaying may lead to penalties or bans. Entry requirements. Be ready with a valid passport, often at least 6 months validity, proof of onward travel, return ticket, accommodation booking, sufficient funds, and sometimes travel insurance. Verify current rules. Visa policies change frequently due to diplomatic shifts, health and security reasons. Always check the official immigration consular website of the destination just before you travel. Understand extension or exit options. Some countries allow visa-free visitors to extend stay or convert status, while others do not. Transit rules. Being visa-free for entry doesn't always imply visa-free transit through a country. Transit rules may differ. Conclusion. Visa-free and simplified entry regimes mark a promising evolution in global mobility for Indian passport holders. As more nations recognize the benefits of tourism and exchange, Indian travelers can look forward to smoother cross-border experiences. However, with these opportunities comes the responsibility to stay informed, verify rules, prepare documents, and respect local regulations.